Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use OBS Remote Control app. Ever wish you could control OBS from your phone instead of constantly tabbing back to your computer? That's exactly what the OBS Controller app is for. First, open OBS Studio on your PC and click Tools, then WebSocket Server Settings. Make sure to enable WebSocket Server is turned on. It's also a good idea to enable authentication and create a password, since this feature allows remote control of your OBS setup. Once that's done, click Show Connect Info to display the connection details and QR code. Next, install an OBS controller app on your phone or tablet and open it. Before connecting, make sure your mobile device and your OBS computer are on the same Wi-Fi network. Most controller apps will give you two options: scan a QR code or automatically search for OBS on your local network. The easiest method is usually the QR code. Simply scan the code displayed in OBS and approve the connection if prompted. Once connected, you'll be able to start, switch scenes, control recordings, and manage the other OBS functions directly from your phone. It's a simple setup that can make streaming and recording much more convenient, especially if you're away from your keyboard. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.